Welcome back, friends, and welcome back to you, Newton, my ace assistant.
Good to be back, Mr. E.
Today begins a new artistic endeavor as we continue to practice our critical thinking skills to enhance the creative process through the medium of art.
He means we're going to make another drawing today.
Yes, indeed.
Hey, Mr. E.
Yes, Newton?
I see that you put my snowman picture in our brand new classroom art gallery.
Yes, display your work proudly, Newton. Boys and girls, maybe you have a special place at home to display your art. Perhaps on a wall, or in a window, or even on the front of a refrigerator. Be sure to ask Mom, or Dad, or Grandma, or Grandpa, or any grown-up at home that you love if they can help you choose a perfect place to make your very own art gallery. Why, hello, Mr. E. Hello, Mailman Mike. How are you today? Just hunky-dory, Mr. E. What a fine day to deliver mail. Say, remember that special delivery I mailed last time I was here? How could I forget? Was that special delivery the clue for today's lesson? It sure was. Inside was a very special item, and I placed it somewhere in this classroom. Would you like to help us find it? You know, that's a real honor, Mr. E, but I'm gonna leave that job to the expert clue finder around here, my good buddy, Newton.
Well, thank you, Mailman Mike.
My pleasure. My job is to deliver all of these letters to all of the teachers at Bridge Builders Academy. So I thank you very kindly, Mr. E. You two have fun today. And you kids have fun too. Later. Are you ready to find today's clue, Newton?
I sure am. Let's see. Mailman Mike delivered today's clue, so the clue must be something new in our classroom. Is it the calendar? No, I'm pretty sure that was there last time. Is it the art gallery? The art gallery is new, but Mr. E already told me about the gallery. It's probably not the clue. Well, let's see. Aha! That's it! I don't remember seeing that flag before.
You are correct, Newton. This is the new flag that Mailman Mike delivered to our classroom. So tell me, Newton, what shape is the flag?
Let's count how many corners the flag has. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, and how many sides?
1, 2, 3. It's a triangle!
Excellent, Newton! Triangles are shapes that have 3 corners and 3 sides. And that brings us to today's drawing lesson. Newton, would you please tell us what we need before we start today's lesson?
For today's lesson, you will need a sheet of paper.
I have mine ready to go.
You'll need something to draw with. Today, I feel like using a pencil.
Excellent choice, Newton.
You can also use a crayon or a marker.
In fact, I want to try drawing with something different today. I will use a marker.
Good call, Mr. E.
At this time, please pause the video if you need to find all of your drawing supplies for today's lesson. We don't want to get started without you. Ready? Good. Let's begin. Today, we will be drawing triangles. Small triangles, big triangles, and making a triangle mouse. Got it? Great! Let's get started. All right, friends. If you remember from last time, I like to do some finger exercises before we start drawing. That way, our hands and fingers are ready to draw. Okay? Let's do one simple exercise today to get the wiggles out and be totally ready to draw. Try this. Let's wiggle our fingers like this. Wiggle this way. Wiggle that way. Wiggle up and wiggle down. Super duper job. That was fun, my friends. Are your fingers ready to trace some triangles? Great! Let's do it! Let's use our pointer finger to trace some triangles before we start drawing. Practice is good. First, let's trace a small triangle. Remember, triangles have 3 corners and 3 sides. I like to count the sides when I trace or draw triangles. Ready? Here we go. Small triangle. 1, 2, 3. Great job! Let's do it again. Small triangle. 1, 2, 3. Excellent! Next, let's practice tracing a big triangle. Again, I like to count the sides as I draw or trace my triangles. Ready? Here we go. Big triangle. 1, 2, 3. Great! Let's do it again. Big triangle. 1, 2, 3. Way to go! That was fantastic! I think we're ready to do some drawing. Let's get our pencil or marker or crayon ready. I'm using a purple marker today, and I feel ready to draw. Here we go! Okay, friends. First, make sure you have a comfortable grip on your pencil, or crayon, or marker. Looking good. Remember from last time, we had 3 areas on our paper to draw on. Up here is the top. Right here is the middle. And way down here is the bottom. Sounds good. Let's start with two small triangles side by side at the top of the paper. Those will be our mouse's ears. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome!
I did it! I drew two small triangles. What do you think, Mr. E?
Super job following directions, Newton. I'm sure your triangles look great too, my friends. Great job, everyone. Now, we will draw a big triangle in the middle, just below our two small triangles. Here's an interesting fact. Sometimes triangles point up. Sometimes triangles point down. As long as it has 3 corners and 3 sides, it's a triangle. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Big triangle pointing down. Super! Now, let's draw another big triangle at the bottom of our paper. But this one will be pointing up. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Big triangle pointing up.
Remember our circles from last time? Well, today's shape, the triangle, is all about 3. So let's draw 3 small circles for our mouse's eyes and nose. Practice is good. Ready? Here we go. Small circle, small circle, small circle. Great! I remember Newton drawing dots last time, so let's use Newton's idea and draw some dots for our mouse's eyes. Like this. Dot, dot. And of course, let's do a little squiggly line for his tail. Try this. Squiggle. Fantastic! At this time, you can extend the activity by adding your own details. For example, you can give him some whiskers, or some circle feet, or a piece of cheese in the shape of a triangle.
He kinda looks like me, Mr. E.
Ha ha ha! Yes, he does! And that concludes today's lesson, Newton. Why, hello, Mr. E. Say, do you mind if I leave this here? What is it, Mailman Mike? Tune in next time to the artistic adventures of Mr. E and Newton, and you'll find out. See you next time! Bye-bye!